Today in our kitchen, we are making chicken samosas. I'm going to show you how to make the filling and how to fold these. These are ingredients for the filling. We'll need 1 kg of chicken mince, 1 big onion chopped, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 tablespoon of salt. And our triple G paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic, ginger and green chilli paste. And some coriander. Now let's start making the filling by adding 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. And then we're going to fry our ginger and garlic. We're going to fry it till it changes color to a brownish color. This is my version of making the chicken filling. You can make it however you want. Now that it has changed color, we're going to add in the chicken mince. We're going to add it all at once. And now we're going to cook it till it separates. We're going to cook it in this manner for a few minutes. Do not be tempted to add more oil. We don't want an oily filling. Now we're going to cover it for 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, we're going to mix it again. I'm doing this on a medium to low flame. If you cook it at high flame, it is going to burn very quickly and you won't get the filling you want. After 7 minutes, our chicken mince has cooked properly. This is how I wanted it to look. Now we can add our spices in. And the green chilli paste. And then mix it. Then we're going to add the onions. Then we're going to mix it for a little while because we don't want the onions to release water. We added the onions towards the end when our chicken mince has cooked properly. Now we're going to add in the coriander. And then mix it. And when you feel like everything has mixed properly, you can leave it to cool down. Now for folding, these are our ingredients. This is our chicken mince filling. This is samosa par. And this is the paste I made with cake flour and water. Now for the folding. We're going to make a triangle. Then we're going to fold it to make a small cone. And we're going to fill it with about 2 teaspoons. But you can fill it to however you want. And then we're going to close all corners and secure our filling. This is how you're going to do it for all samosas. You just have to worry about the corners. If your corners are closed, your samosas are perfect. If your corners remain open, then when you fry them, the oil will go inside. And at the end, apply the paste and fold it. And there we go. Our samosa is done. We're going to do it for the rest as well. This is our second samosa. We're going to make a cone. Add the filling. And then we're going to close all corners. We have to secure the filling. And then we're folding again. Then we apply the paste and close it. There we go, it's done. You need like a day to do this. So do this before Ramadan. So during Ramadan you can spend more time doing ibadat. And there our samosas are done. I've made them into small trays so I can freeze them easily. And then can fry them anytime I want. You can see how perfectly they are folded. Now we're going to fry some. We're going to fry them till they become lightly golden brown from both sides. We don't have time to do these things during Ramadan because we have other stuff to do. Ramadan is a month of ibadat, so we don't want to spend time doing these things. So if you do this before Ramadan, your time will be saved and you can use that time to make ibadat instead. Now I'm turning the sides and you can see the nice color it has gotten. With 1 kg of chicken mince, I made about 120 samosas. And now I'm going to open one and show you. And it's so amazing and it's crispy and you can see how nice the filling looks from the inside. You can enjoy it with tomato sauce or any sauce of your preference. And there our samosas are done. If you like this recipe, please do give this a thumbs up and subscribe and share this video for future easy recipes.